Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make changes to your recovery server once it's been configured in the DR cloud of Acronis Cyber Protect Cloud. There are a couple different methods you can use to make those changes or edits. You can do it directly from the device that you're protecting by selecting it and clicking on Disaster Recovery. And here you'll see I have a recovery server that's already been created. And if I need to make changes to it, as long as I'm in standby mode, I simply click on the gear icon and click edit. Or if you're in the disaster recovery area of the server area, you can select it here as well and click on the edit button here, as long as you're in standby. So within Edit, you can make changes as necessary to your recovery server configuration. You can adjust the resources. So if you wanted to reduce the amount of resources to run the server or increase them, you simply make those changes. If you wanted to disable any of the features as well, you can do that here. If I want to turn off the automated test failover, I can simply disable that. If I don't need a public IP any longer, I simply disable that, click Save. The machine will be reconfigured in the Acronis cloud. And now when you go to activate the machine, those changes will take effect. So thank you. That's how you would edit a configuration of a recovery server in or DR Cloud in the Acronis Cyber Protect Cloud platform. Thank you very much.